Okay, I'm outside at my 2013 F-150 Lariat. What I've done is I've installed the Raptor style grill without the complete Raptor grill, just mainly a grill that has the lights here. So you see I've already ran the wiring. Now I'm doing this without showing how to install the grill because time and time again I found grill installations that do not show how to wire the lights to your park lights. And everybody wants to know that. I've seen comment after comment. No one ever answers the question. So I'm doing that here. So I'm gonna flip this around again. So what I've done is I've got the lights in and I just wired it through here. I'm probably gonna wish I hadn't done that, but I did. And it's going behind the insulation. In this corner, when it comes out of the insulation, the post for the hood shock, I just strapped it to that. Then I came back here and I strapped it here so that when the hood closed, this doesn't inadvertently get underneath there. I strapped it to this wire here, and I'm using these cable ties because you can easily cut those if you need to. But then I ran it along the bottom here and I strapped it there. Let me give you a good shot. And then I just go down in there behind the washer fluid reservoir tank. When you go down in there, if you take the headlight out, you can actually reach back in there, back under there, and pull the wire through. This is it. Once I pull it through with the headlight out, as you see, you go to your park light of your headlight here, and I have this blue tape on here to hold that temporarily because I'm having to send this light back. There's a short in the ground, so I had to create my own ground, so I have headlights until the new ones come. No discredit to the company. They did a great job of making sure I get what I need, so I'm not upset about it. They're sending me the lights. I'll swap it out, and I'll send these back. But back to the matter at hand. This light here is for your park lights. I started to use the daytime running light, but I can always change that later. But I actually just wanted that to come on the park lights. So anyway, from here, I just took a razor blade and lightly scored the tape here, just wrapping this wire, this a cluster of wires for your turn signal, your park lights, and your headlights, which would be here. So once you score this with a razor blade real lightly, you can actually pull this through. I'm only using one hand, so I'm gonna see if I can show you. But if you score it real lightly, so you can barely tell that I scored it, then you can just pull that through, just like that. And these are the wires you want. These are the wires that are going here. See the color match? The yellow with the green stripe, the black with the gray stripe. Same here. So these are my wires. And I know it's my wires because you can just follow this wire all the way around to it. So what I'm going to do is take these wires and use some wire taps to tap into them rather than cutting these wires right here. Sorry about that. Rather than cutting these wires, and I'll have power to my lights and I'll be able to show you that. So I'm gonna stop the video here, but I will be back with the results. All right, we're back. As mentioned, these are the wire taps, as I call them. Maybe someone knows the technical term. That's really not important. But this is what I used. And I've got them tapped in. So what I'm going to do to test this, before I close all of this up, I'm going to lock and unlock my doors. Lock, unlock. And as you see, I don't know if you can see that, but that light is on. See, the bulb is burning. So let's see if the lights in the grill are on. And voila, they are on. So we have that wired in. So now what I'm going to do is put all this back for now so I can take it out again Thursday when my new lights come in, and then I'll show you the complete transformation. I'll be back. Okay, so I finished the grill, the new grill that I had color matched with the Raptor style lights in the grill. I have them wired to the park lights, and now I'm going to show you the finished product. I did change out my amber lights and make them clear. I didn't want the yellow. Everybody does the yellow. And that's how it looks. Looks nice. A lot better than the yellow. Had I thought about it, I would have got the switchback lights and not used the turn signal bulb and not had any yellow. Would have had all white across there, but you know, hey. And I think what I'll do is now I'll turn on the fog lights and let you see how it looks like that. And the headlights as well, may as well. Oh, and by the way, I have the switchback lights for here and here. There will be smoke. This one will be off at night. It'll only turn on when the turn signal's on, but it'll be smoked out. This one is smoked out. I just have to install it as well. But it will run at night and it'll be white instead of yellow. And it'll switch back with the turn signals, yellow and white. But that's the headlights. And I really love those headlights. I'm glad that they're taking care of the issue. This is the one I have a ground issue with, but they are replacing the set, actually. They're sending me another set. I also ordered those bulbs from Amazon for the fog lights. They are LED. I'll put a link in the description. But I think it looks good. Like and subscribe. Any questions that you post, I do my best to answer them. If anyone knows where I can find the black Ford emblem, I'm looking for that for the front and back. I have that one installed on there temporarily until I find it. I actually was looking for the black grille to go all the way across here, but I could not find it. I could only find the centerpiece. If anyone knows where to find grill pieces for the end, the caps there, let me know that as well. I'm probably going to remove that skid scrub plate down there, the little rubber piece. I'm probably going to remove that. But other than that and some wheels, that'll be it. Thank you.